talk about how to make your weekly presentation in 40 seconds. Yeah, it's a very big task for all of us. It's an everyday activity that when we come here, so it has to be an effective thing, right? We have heard this lot many times, right, from the beginning that BNI members are like your sales teams, right? It's your sales team. So what do you do with your sales team? When you are training your sales team, what do you do with them? You sell them the product?
No.
Yes. So that's the first and most important thing. You train your sales team to go out and get you business. So your 40 seconds has to be focused on how to train the other members to identify leads for you. That's the most important thing. Yeah. So your 40 seconds has to be effective enough to ensure that whenever out there, whenever people are meeting, or members are meeting some other members, some associates or some business partners or some customers, they have to identify needs for you. Yeah, and then they have to generate leads for you. So you have to train your members in that aspect. So don't come and give here a sales speech. Yeah, or talk about your products or talk about your achievements. 40 seconds is not enough, or you will not be able to do justice also in that 40 seconds to talk so much about your laurels or so much about your achievements. So your 40 seconds have to be effectively looking at making your members identify leads for you, right? And there's a saying, there's a saying in the BNI itself: sell through the room, not to the room. Remember that always, right? And we have to identify needs. We have to train people to identify needs. For example, now Dr. Kuldeep, very good example. Someone had told last time. I think he only mentioned it during his presentation that anyone whom you see holding his hand or avoiding a smile, that's a lead for me. Yeah, that's a good knocking need identification point for every one of us. Right? He made it a mention in his presentation that the most important thing about your body is your smile, and we don't pay attention to that. That's an amazing fact to train all of us. Yeah. Now, example, look at Shanti Builders, Ramesh. Now, new real estate is a little bit down here and there. So he's a painting contractor. So he may not get as much of business from new real estate builders, but whenever he can train us to identify buildings which are old and unpainted, and we can find a lead for him. That's the way we have to be trained, right? Last time, and of course, to make it a little exciting, you have to make it a little more creative. Last time we had a very nice session between Aftab and Ankit Pandit. They started with the song Do Diwane Shehar Mein, Ashiana, and Temporary Home. That movie also has the sad version of that song. Now if you find someone alone, akela in the share, it's a lead for a life coach. In Mandavi's chapter, there is a life coach at Mandavi's chapter. So you have to learn to identify needs. You have to teach to identify needs. That's the whole point, right? In a nutshell, what you need to do is you need to start your 40 seconds with your name and with your company's name. That's important. And you have to end it with the name, your name and company's name, because sometimes in these beginning people don't pay attention to you. So at the end of it, you have to, say it, refresh people that I'm so and so, and this is my company's name. In between, you have to have a LCD. It is called least common denominator. That's the structure. The least common denominator is your one USP, which you need to come highlighted every day. Okay, come prepared, plan a USP every day, and talk about that USP. And post that in your matter of your 40 seconds, please talk a little bit more about that LSD or the USP. And after that, have a specific ask. Very important. If you ask, you have a specific ask, you will be able to connect. Like Bhaskar does that every week very nicely. He has a good specific ask. Last time he had a specific ask about a builder, and I could. I had not even thought that he could be my reference until unless he asked. That's how it works. Yeah. So this is how we need to do. In a nutshell, what we take today is we are here in that 40 seconds to train our members how to sell your product, not to sell to them. Yeah. Thank you very much.